everyone! How excited we all are for our graduation day, aren't we? So, how about making a graduation day batch that will bring the celebration over the moon? Looks cool, isn't it? So, without further waiting, let's start it. So, firstly, let's see what all things we need to make the graduation batch. So, we need yellow and black A4 size paper, black pen, sketch or marker, safety pin, thread of red or yellow color, string, glue or fevicol, pencil, eraser, scissors, and ruler or scale. So firstly we will draw a circle on yellow color A4 size paper, and on black A4 size paper we will draw our graduation hat of 4 cm horizontal length. After that, cut it out. Keep it aside, and on the other hand we will take a red or yellow color thread and roll them in your 2 fingers 15 or 20 times. So you will get it like this. After that, cut the thread from one side and trim unwanted extra threads. And now on the upper part we will tie it with the string, leaving some space. On the other hand, we will glue the yellow circle paper with the black hat paper, and we will put 2 holes on the hat. Now secure the extra string through the holes as shown in the video. After it, on the yellow paper, we will draw the borders, eyes, nose and mouth. Then flip it. Put some glue or fevicol and place the safety pin. To make it strong, we will place a paper on the safety pin as shown. And look at this, our super easy and instant graduation badge is ready. So enjoy making this badge and wishing you all a very big happy graduation. Bye bye.